Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Clara Karasta. I'm majoring in Information System, and this is my second assignment with a different topic. If yesterday I told you about my dream job, now I will tell my friend the result of my interview. This time we discuss a simple topic about the software used by me and my friend. In this situation, I will now to talk my friend who are in the same department or faculty as me, but I will talk to my friend who are in a different department and faculty than me. Here, it's not just our department or course that are different, but the software that we often use when studying course in our department is also different. Like me in my major, of course, I'm involved in the world of information technology, and I of course use IT software more often, such as programming language and so on. For example, during my first semester, I used the C++ programming language using Berlin software. Meanwhile, my friends who have different major from me currently don't use this software because they also have their own software to make it easier for them to understand the subjects in their own major. If we talk about difference, of course, the software I use for my major is very different from the software they use for their major. The difference is clearly very significant. The software that they often use is also easy and simple software. If it is registered, I will be able to be used immediately without further understanding of how to use the software. Meanwhile, the software that I use for my major must have sufficient understanding before using it. If you don't understanding how to use it, then the software will not work well. Even if we understand it very well, there are times when we will encounter errors when using the software. Even in the quality series, the difference is also quite large. If the software I use for my major refers to programming language and such, then the software my friend uses is not like that. If we talk about the price of use, software in major that can be said to be involved in the IT sector and software in major that are not involved in the IT sector have the same price. But perhaps IT-based software is easier to access without making the first payment. While for those that are not IT, there are some can be used straight away, like the software by my friend who have a different major than me. And then there is also software that requires paying first to be able to access it. But if we talk about convenience, then what is easier to understand is definitely non-IT based software, because as I explained at the beginning, IT software tends to have a high level of understanding before being used basically. IT and non-IT software both have certainly function and control system. In my opinion, the most reliable system for me to complete my task is software like Berlin. Then, for my friend, is actually something that is difficult to rely on and difficult to use. And finally, if we compare software in your respective major, then we can conclude that the most user-friendly software is non-IT based software because it is more flexible and can be used by the general public. Maybe that's all I can say on this topic. More or less, I apologize and thank you.